Konnichiwa. Jambo. Hello. Maganda hapon. Mwadela bama baba. Okay, it's Masunga John again here. And guess what? Today I'm going to cook egusi. Egusi. I'm from the eastern side of Africa, but I'm going to cook egusi that comes from the western side of Africa. I told you I'm so international. So I'm going to cook egusi today. What is egusi? Egusi is Nigerian food. 今日は皆さんエグシを作ります。エグシはナイジェリアの食べ物です。で、今日はお肉とか魚使ってエグシを作ります。So, let's go straight to the ingredients. Here are the ingredients of my egusi. I have goat meat. I have paprika, green peppers, onions, fish. Normally they use smoked fish, but I just grilled fish. And I have bitter leaves here, I have melon or egusi itself, melon soup. And I have shrimps, tomatoes, and oil. Then I'll add maggy and salt. Okay, salt. Okay. So これがエグシですの作り方。お肉は何でもいいけど今日はヤギのお肉使います。パプリカでピーマンで玉ねぎ。これがビターリーブはナイジェリアにある葉っぱ、ちょっと苦いな葉っぱです。これがメロンはメロンの種から出てきてる。これメロンの種から出てきてる。あとはちっちゃいシュリンプでトマトで塩、油、マギcubes. Okay, so the first thing to start with is to blend everything together. So I'm going to blend paprika. Okay, my blender is small, so I will do it like 2 times. Okay, and alright, mix these ones, and I'll add the tomato. Okay. Okay, tomato. Okay, that's the first step. So I'm going to blend the whole mixture. Okay, so I blended the whole mixture, the tomato, onion, green pepper, and the paprika. I blended all together. So now I'm going to start cooking. All right, so the first step is to add oil in the frying pan. For Nigerians, they use palm oil, but I don't have palm oil, so I'm going to use vegetable cooking oil. And the first step is to add oil in the frying pan, and then put in all the mixture. Okay. Then when we are waiting, then I'm gonna add onions, small pieces of onions in the egusi itself, so that we can fry it together with the mixture. Then I'm going to mix it with the onion, and because today I'm going to do a frying method. I'm going to cook the egusi by frying method. So I have to mix the egusi. If you're in Nigeria and you want to buy melon egusi, please message me or in the comment line, in the comment place, message me and I will show you. Please tell me that you want egusi and I'll tell you the price. You can send the money to me and I will send you the egusi. There's a lot of egusi and bitter leaves I'm selling, so if you want some, please message me in the comment place. So I will add the egusi. Okay, I'll add the egusi in the mixture. And I'll carve it a little again. So now the egusi has fried enough. I'm going to add the meat first. I'm going to add the meat. And mix it. I'll add some of the soup which I used, the remaining of the soup when I was boiling the meat. Okay, like that. And mix it a bit. And I'll add the fish. And I'll let it cook for a few minutes.